Barbecue at home? Yes, it is very much possible using an electric grill. Everyone loves visiting a barbecue restaurant, isn't it? I always wanted to do some authentic grilling, and this electric grill fulfilled my wish. After doing some research on the internet, I found a simple way to make your own grilled food at home instead of ordering takeaways. So here is the solution, an electric grill. There are different types of grills which use different sources of heat. One of them is the gas fired, and you also have coal fired, and then the electric grill. I have chosen electric grill because it is smokeless. You can make vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian barbecue food. So here you can see you can make grilled chicken, grilled sikh kebab, grilled fruits, grilled vegetables, and also grilled paneer. Grilling is a healthier way of cooking as it uses less oil. This model also has a grease tray which can collect drippings from the food, and it also has temperature control and a thermostat. This electric grill doesn't come in an assembled format. I will show you the components that have come in this box, and I will also show you how to assemble all the components so it is ready for you to start grilling. This is the main base of the grill, and on top of this you will have to assemble the other components. You'll also be adding half a liter to 1 liter of water into this before you start grilling. The next important component is the heating element, which comes along with the power cord, and it also has the temperature control knob. So that's the power cord which is attached to the heating element. Next comes the rack on which the food item will be placed. Another important part of the grill is this aluminum tray. It is very useful to catch the drippings from the food items. You can also see a rod, a steel rod. I will show you what it is used for. And there's also a long screw which I will show you what it is used for. The box also comes with four plastic legs with the four small screws which you will use to fix it to the back of the uh, base of the grill. We found it a little bit difficult to fix that leg to the base of the grill, but somehow we were able to fix it. But once they were all fixed, things were fine and it was quite stable. We are now ready to assemble all the other components of the grill. We first take the aluminum tray and place it inside the base of the grill. We now take this steel rod and use this to fix the aluminum tray to the base of the grill so that it doesn't move. So this is a bit tricky. You will find a hole in the aluminum tray as well as in the base of the grill, and on both sides you will have to push this rod and fix the tray. Right now you see that it is slightly moving, but we will soon see how to fix it. We can now fix the heating element to the base of the grill. So this is how it is to be fixed. Okay, now that this aluminum tray is moving, we can use this screw to actually just push it through the aluminum tray and then into the base of the grill. So it just uh, stands in place. Don't have to actually tighten it or anything. Just push it just inside. We can now place the rack on the grill. There are 4 holes on the base of the grill, and you can also see projections on the rack, 4 projections. So you have to place this rack through those holes, and now it is in place. The grill is now completely assembled and ready for use. But before you power it on, you need to do one important activity, very important activity. You can notice that there is some gap between the aluminum tray and the base of the grill. What you need to do is you need to pour half a liter to 1 liter of water through this gap, and then it is ready to be used. Let's do some actual grilling. Before we power on the grill, let's pour some 1 liter of water through the gap. I hope you are able to see that. So once you have done this, then you can power on. This is the knob with which you can control the temperature of the grill. So we have powered it on now. It gets heated quite fast. Just takes 1 to 2 minutes to heat up for the first time. So this is now ready. You can see the heating element is completely red. The grill also has a thermostat which goes off and on continuously. So we have placed some chicken, and you can see that it is big enough to hold some 15 pieces of chicken, and it has cooked very well. It has taken half an hour. This is boneless chicken, and it took half an hour to grill this chicken. It has been marinated for a couple of hours. I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you have any queries through your comments. Thank you for watching and happy grilling.